You keep saying you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow is the most dangerous word you know. Tomorrow steals your goals. Tomorrow kills your momentum. Tomorrow turns dreams into excuses. You don't need another plan, another idea, another "I'll start when." You need action, now. Because every day you delay, someone else is putting the work in while you scroll. Someone hungrier. Someone who decided today was enough. You think you need motivation. You don't. You need movement. Motivation follows motion, not the other way around. Start small. Do one push-up. Read one page. Write one line. The smallest action is still progress, and progress is momentum. Stop saying you don't have time. You have time. You just keep giving it away to comfort, to distractions, to fear. The truth is harsh but simple. If you don't control your time will control you. It's not the big moments that define you. It's the quiet ones, the seconds where you choose work over rest, focus over scrolling, discipline over ease. You don't need to change your whole life today. You just need to start moving in the right direction and keep moving. Because speed doesn't matter if you never begin. Consistency is the real power. Momentum is the real magic. Every rep, every minute of focus, every silent choice to keep going, that's how you win. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. It's already here. Get up, move, build something. And when you're ready to take control for real, go to the link in the description and start your silent fight.